Stunner version R in the house at Dynodaze. Well, Peter's version R is in the house today at Dynodaze for some parts to be fitted. As you can see, he's already got tying coilovers and a Cusco rear anti-roll bar. He's got a Gizfab exhaust, which is looking beautiful, sounds well. Thank you, Peter, for the Lemsip and the tissues. As you know, I have got a cold, if I hadn't already complained about that. As you can see, he's got some Summit braces, full complement of Summit braces in the beautiful Summit orange, stiffening up that chassis. He's going on track, so he's got some hard race lower arms that we've just fitted. They look stunning in blue, don't they? They really do a job. They look nice against the orange of the Summit stuff. He's also had some Powerflex rear beam bushes fitted, which is a big improvement on the Colts, especially with perished ones. He's got a turbo blanket, which I've not seen on a Colt yet, so that's interesting. What a beautiful engine bay it is. As you can see, he's got a forge RS valve. He's got a air box, which we don't see a lot of. Tubular manifold, looking sweet. Yeah, and this turbo blanket is very interesting. I think I might have to buy one of those. But what a stunning car, beautiful car. We'll see Peter in the new year for some big engine improvements.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.